Which air conditioner is actually good for one room? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, Drio Tower Fan. At just $79.99, this fan caught my attention with its sleek design and powerful airflow. If you want a quiet yet effective cooling solution, this is worth a serious look. The upgraded DC motor combined with turbo wind technology means it can push air at speeds up to 28 feet per second. That's perfect for quickly circulating cool air in your room. Plus, with noise levels at only 20 decibels, disturb your peace whether you're working or sleeping. With 8 speeds and 4 modes, you can easily customize this fan to fit your comfort needs. Now, some users mention that the fan doesn't cool like an air conditioner, which is true since it's not an AC unit. Here's the thing though, it's designed to work alongside your air conditioner, helping to circulate cool air more effectively, especially in larger spaces. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful and quiet fan to complement your existing cooling system. Skip this one if you're looking for an air conditioner replacement. It's more of a supplementary device. For $79.99, you're getting a solid fan that really delivers. Now, if you're not sure about the effectiveness of a fan, the next one is an actual air conditioner that might just fit your needs perfectly. Product number 2, Midea 5000 BTU AC. The Midea 5000 BTU Easy Cool Window Air Conditioner. This little powerhouse is designed for smaller rooms, cooling up to 150 square feet, and priced competitively. If you need a straightforward and effective cooling solution, this model deserves your attention. With a combined energy efficiency rate, CEER, of 11.0, this unit is not just effective, it's also energy efficient, which can help lower your electricity bills over time. The easy-to-use mechanical controls allow you to adjust the temperature and fan speed effortlessly. Plus, it operates quieter than a household refrigerator, so you can sleep soundly without disruption. However, some users noted that installation can be tricky for certain window types. Here's the thing though, the provided instructions are pretty comprehensive, and once installed, it's worth the effort for a cool, comfortable room. This is perfect for you if you have a small bedroom or home office that needs cooling. Skip it if you're looking for something that can handle larger spaces. Considering its capabilities, it's a smart investment for about $150. All right, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for portability. Product number 3, Arctic Air Pure Chill 2.0. Priced at just $39.99, this is a portable air cooler that caught my eye with its lightweight design. If you want something you can easily move from room to room, this is worth considering. The Hydro Chill technology cools and humidifies the air, making it perfect for dry summer days. It operates on just 8 to 10 watts, so you won't be breaking the bank on energy costs. The fact that it runs for up to 10 hours on a single fill means you can enjoy uninterrupted coolness without frequent refills. But I'll be real with you, some users found it doesn't cool as effectively as a traditional AC unit. Here's the thing though, it's designed for personal space cooling, so if you're looking for a unit to cool down an entire room, you might be disappointed. This is perfect for you if you need a personal air cooler for your desk or bedside. Skip this if you're looking for something powerful enough to cool larger areas. For only $39.99, it's a budget-friendly choice for personal cooling. Now, if you need something with more power and features, the next product might surprise you. Product number 4, Melify 3-in-1 Air Cooler. The Melify 3-in-1 Portable Air Conditioner. At $125.99, this is a multifunctional unit that not only cools, but also humidifies and acts as a fan. If you want versatility, this is a strong contender. This air cooler boasts 3 modes, including cooling, humidifying, and a natural wind fan. With a 1-gallon water tank, you can enjoy sustainable cooling for more than 12 hours. Plus, the 60-degree oscillation ensures that cool air reaches every corner of your room. However, some users found it a bit bulky for smaller spaces. Here's the thing, while it may take up more room than a traditional fan, its multifunctionality means you're getting a lot of value in one device. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one cooling solution for year-round use. Skip it if you're looking for something compact and easy to transport frequently. For the features it offers, it's well worth the investment. Now, the final product on our list is perfect for anyone who needs something ultra-compact yet effective. Product number 5, Sedil Portable AC. We have the Sedil Portable Air Conditioner. Priced at $59.99, this mini air conditioner is perfect for those with limited space. If you want a compact cooling solution, you should definitely check this out. This unit combines a high-velocity fan, humidifier, and evaporative air cooler into one. With 4 speeds and 2 mist modes, it's versatile enough to suit your cooling needs. What's cool is that the 1,000 milliliter tank allows for 6 to 8 hours of continuous operation before needing a refill. Now, some people mention that it's not as powerful as full-size units. Here's the thing, it's designed for personal use and smaller spaces, so for what it is, it performs quite well. This is perfect for you if you need an air cooler for your desk or bedside. Skip it if you're aiming to cool down a large area quickly. For $59.99, it's a great deal for anyone needing personal cooling on a budget.
So there you have it, the top 5 air conditioners for one room. Each offers something unique, whether it's the powerful airflow from Drio, the efficiency of Medea, the portability of Arctic Air, the multifunctionality of Mellify, or the compact design of Sedil. Choose one that best fits your specific needs and stay cool this summer.